If you look at this roundabout here, this roundabout have got arrows painted there.
Yeah.
And they're telling you that if you want to go, how many arrows there in this lane?
2.
Good. So that means it's telling you that you can go left
Or straight.
or straight. And this one only go to the
Right.
good. So if you need to go straight, you need to use the left lane or left lane for the left turning as well. How about this one? Where you think this car is going?
Straight.
Which exit?
Second.
Good. It's very important that we need to start counting the exits as well. Now, can you, if you're going straight, let's say there is no road markings in the middle there, like that roundabout.
Yeah.
Can you go like this?
You shouldn't.
Okay. Why not?
Well, for the people using that lane,
Who's other pupils?
people who are like, well, going around the roundabout.
You mean this pupil?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thing about this one, isn't it? Because it's their road. So this is why what we normally say when we're going around the bend, what do we normally follow?
Left go.
There you go. Can you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So if you try to go straight, you end up collision over there.
Yeah.
So this is why always important that the lane positioning is a very, very important on your roundabout lesson. Do you understand this? Any confusion on this so far?
No.
Now,